Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of African Brands. I'm glad that you can join me on the continuing episode of COVID-19 Business in Action, where we speak to decision makers and top players of indigenous brands in Africa with special focus to Nigeria. Kickstarting today's episode, we have the CEO of Airjara in the person of Abi Otedola. I am Onyechi Muku. Stay tuned.
Airjara Travels and Tours is assisting clients relocate or travel around the world using the second passport that enters over 151 countries without a visa. Are you a traveler that hates to line up in long queues, or a government official, musician, actress, or director? If so, get in line. Airjara Travels and Tours, with their partners in the Caribbean islands, will put you through on how to donate funds or buy properties in the Caribbean in exchange for this passport. Call us on 0708-258-5556 or visit us at Suite 007, number 27, Sanusi Fafumo Street, inside Murphy's Plaza, Victoria Island, Lagos. Our travel is extraordinarily extra.
Abi Otedola, Chief Executive Officer, Airjara Travels and Tours.
Thanks for having me again. My name is Mrs. Abi Otedola, CEO of Airjara Travels and Tours. Airjara Travels and Tours is a top-class travels and tours company where we deliver quality and efficient service and timely services as well to our esteemed clients. We are registered with most of the governing bodies of travel agencies in Nigeria, specifically, let me say NANTA, NTDC, let me say, there are quite a number of them, NCAA, IATA, which is well known to everybody. Most travel agencies are not really registered with them. And we are registered with the Lagos State Chamber of Commerce and Industry as well. So, and then Airjara Travels and Tours, we don't work on guesswork. We hit the bull's eye. We really know what our clients want, and we try as much as possible to satisfy them. Like, I personally have actually traveled all over the world. I've been everywhere actually. So, you know, they always say the taste of the pudding is in the eating. So I believe that to be a travel agent or the CEO of a travel agency, you must have traveled yourself. You can't just say, okay, fine, I want to open something. I mean, if people ask questions, they will be able to understand that it is only because you yourself, you are a travel agent. That is why you are like trying to head something like that. But we have several services that we provide for our clients. We have like the group tours, relocation packages for people that want to work outside Nigeria, like let me say Lithuania, Czech Republic. These are all Schengen countries. Then we have the UAE, people that want to go for freelances, they want to invest their own businesses. They want to work on the mainland in Dubai. And then we have clients that want to go for the green card in the United States of America. So this green card, it helps clients that have advanced degrees, not necessarily people that have PhDs. You know, if you have a 4-year program, you went to university in Nigeria or anywhere outside Nigeria, so you can go for that. Then we do Malta relocation packages for people that need residence permits outside Nigeria. And that Malta one, although it's a bit expensive, but at least it's easy to get. All you just need to do is just to have a good background, no criminal record and all that. And then we have investments for people that want to invest in Canada. And then that's pretty expensive too, but nice and easy to get as well. There is student permits, jobs for nurses, IT people, the IT savvy people that want to relocate outside Nigeria. And like I said, we are IATA certified. Our tickets are very, very cheap and affordable. Actually, we have very high ethical standards. We don't compromise what we do. We don't compromise at all. What we do is that when clients call us, ask us questions, most people, because they need a large clientele, they tend to give people stories about what they know they cannot afford. Our word is our bond. When we say something about Airjara Travels and Tours, we mean it. We tell clients as it is. And then we make sure that we don't make empty promises to clients, and we are very honest about what we do. Well, we don't follow people behind. As much as the fact that we met a lot of big people, stakeholders in this business, we don't use anybody as a yardstick. We just decide that this is what we want to do and we follow it. So if we want to do something, we even have agents that call us every day that try to get information out of us because they want to do what we are doing. So we carve a niche for ourselves to an extent that we don't have anybody we are tailgating. We just do it. We just ourselves. We just do it as it is. What I've learned is to be on guard, be prepared. Like the Boy Scouts, their motto says be prepared. We were really prepared because we haven't been that long like the big boys or so-called big boys in the industry, but at that time we were able to stand on our feet. We did not stop our adverts. We didn't stop all the things we were doing. We were just ready for what we saw, and we found out that we were one of those big players for evacuation. Most of the evacuation flights we participated in. The clients that went to Canada, those that went to the US, we helped them to get out of Nigeria. And even the ambassador, the deputy one in Lagos here, was contacting us. We contacted him many times because of the Nigerians, the Canadians, who are partly Nigerians that were stranded in Nigeria. So we helped them that. So the conclusion is that we were prepared for anything. We weren't scared and we continued. We didn't close down. We operated throughout to an extent that we were even sleeping very close to the airport, staying there. Clients will call, take orders from here in VI, go all the way to Ajawa Estate, and then we were just serving clients. So the motto in conclusion is just be prepared, and that was what we learned from the COVID.
Guys, my name is Mercy Okolese, the CEO of MEXYEVE Spa and Beauty Place. I would like to show you our new spa located at Airjara. Here we offer advanced spa treatment and rejuvenating therapies. Come, let me show you.
How's your preparation coming up? Girl, I've got everything under control. Good. Portfolio? Check. Project summary? Check. Confidence?
No, exactly.
I know.
Introducing the Pass Kit from VSP Botanics with the soap, cleanser and face cream that clears up pimples and acne in under 8 days. Formulated with skin essential minerals and plant extract, penetrating fast into the skin to deliver instant acne fighting action, leaving you with a clear, glowing skin.
In conclusion, I believe that with this strategy, in 2 months or less, the competition would be nowhere near us.
All products are available at www.vspbotanics.com. VSP Botanics, dazzling skin all year round.
Okegbu Chidinma, Chief Executive Officer, DC Homes and Properties.
Okay, DC Properties was founded in December 2020, and we're into real estate where we sell houses, we do short-let, we rent, we help investment grow their business, and as well we also grow, and maybe at some point we're looking at the factor of maybe developing. We also manage properties. So at this point, DC Properties is all about real estate, helping you find your dream home. So our core values are professionalism, uniqueness, integrity, and above all, passion. When you're determined in doing something that you know you have interest in, you have to grow a passion about it. So that was our core value. What is unique about my brand is having that family, building that family with DC Properties, and also being creative about it. Because when you have a family that stands out for you, trust me, you're going to be, because everybody out there they are happy working for you, and by the time they're happy working for you, you're going to be having a different goal at the same time. Because bringing out your mind to work for somebody else, trust me, it builds a lot. So that's actually what's unique about like growing the family in our platform and our company. Of course, so during the pandemic, it was of course hell lot, and we intend to manage that period because during the lockdown it stopped us from doing so many things, and thank God for technology, because technology helped us to at least work effectively. For example, we may have a client that wants to inspect, but because the whole pandemic and we are restricted to do some things, we couldn't go in large quantity to go and view, so we made it possible for us to, let's have a digital digital technology by maybe making a video call. Then we make sure that they have this detailed video so that they feel like they are present there. So with that video, with that platform, we were able to, subside that pandemic. It really got to us. And with this age we have now, Instagram has always played a big role. So it has helped us put that publicity there. So Instagram, I'll say, has helped in this period. Okay, the contributions, handling investors, build, which we are getting to that aspect. Then we handle their rental investment. We also handle their short-let investment, and we also deal with the sales investment, whichever you want to purchase, we can help you, guide you through that process so that you can be able to know what investments you want to put into. Oh yeah, challenges is I would say sorting clients out and dealing with different people. You know, this company that we are, this business that we are, we get to meet different people, different character-wise, people, intellectual people. You get to meet the people that are rude, you get to meet the people that are calm, you get to meet the people that are soft. So you just have to deal with different mindsets. So all you have to do first is work on yourself. Know how to manage people. I tell people this: if you want to do something that makes you feel like you get crowded enough, you have to know how to work on yourself first. Because you know, when a client is talking to you, you want to talk back, proving that you're right. Even if you're right, you just have to calm down. There's something called being humble. I think it goes a long way. Being humble doesn't make you look stupid, but because you know what you're achieving, you know what you want. If you look at it, you need them more than they need you. So, because if you don't offer them that services they want, they will go to the next person. And trust me, they're everywhere. People are everywhere. This business is everywhere. So they will always want to meet the next person. But because of the way you carry yourself and the way you respect your clients, I'm sure they will want to stay. And that's what's keeping me going to today. I would say consistency. Consistency and being passionate about what you're doing, and being determined. Because you can't just start something because, oh, I saw this person doing this, I saw this person doing this. But when you have passion for something, I wish I could tell the story how I started, but because I had passion, I wasn't looking into the money sector. If I was looking for the money sector, trust me, I would have been tired right now. But because of that consistency, the fact, my goal, what I was looking into, I just saw that, okay, real estate is not just I want to do real estate, it's because I want to key into it, I want to build into it. So it's like a long-term goal for me. That was what I was looking at. So consistency, I would say, and patience as well. Oh wow, I'm going to see my brand like all over the world. Like, I want to go diaspora, and I'm actually working towards that. Maybe the next interview we're going to have, I'll be in South Africa. So I'm trying to grow that brand to be versatile. I want it to be around the world. I want DC Properties to be known because the services we give, like I said, it's unique. It's just different. Because if, come to talk about it, if you look at our client intel, they always have to, you know, refer me to other people. I hear stories about myself, and it makes me proud. Because when you treat your customer right, of course you want to, tomorrow you won't even know where the person is coming from. You won't even know who is going to invite you to the next person. So imagine, oh, I heard someone from UK telling you about this. Please, can you come to UK? At the point I was trying to purchase a house for my client in South Africa. I was, if not because of the COVID and some restrictions, I wasn't able to go. So that you can imagine going down to South Africa, just how many months. I've been in this business for like, I think 2 years now, but DC Properties has been like less than a year. So, okay.
Okay, my name is Ukeje Chisom Judith. I'm the HR for DC Properties. I handle the recruitment, the documentations, and mostly all of that. In DC Properties, we're not really so big right now in staffing. So especially for the MD and the accountant, I hold in 3 months, I hold a staff meeting to help us, we strategize, we check our progress within those months. So it's just like a quarterly something that we go through every month, every 3 months, yes. So if we're not doing great in our listings, we re-strategize and try to read books. I purchase a lot of books for my staff.
Okay, my name is Umunna Miriam. I'm the accountant at DC Properties. and homes. We have a couple of listings now on our IG page. Okay, the latest one that is there now is at Second Toll Gate, a 4-bedroom semi-detached house. It has 24 hours electricity, 24 hours supply of water. We also have one at Osapa, London, a 4-bedroom duplex. You can check all that at DC Properties NG on our Instagram page.
Okay, so Oakleaf Pharmaceuticals is a healthcare and lifestyle brand. We've been in the business for about 10 years now. We actually celebrated our 10-year anniversary on the 12th of January this year. And so far, our focus has been actually to help people live a better quality of life. Our vision is actually to continually consolidate our position as a value-driven healthcare brand. And that has exposed itself in the way we handle the kind of products that we introduce into the marketplace. And our focus is also on preventing diseases like non-communicable diseases like high blood pressure, diabetes. So all our products are basically preventive rather than curative. So that's been our strategy, that's been our focus over the last 10 years, and our products are there and the results are there to show for it. Okay, well, about Oakleaf Pharmaceuticals, I think one thing I would like to share with the world is that we are an innovative company, and we try to be innovative as much as we can. The way we come across handling or tackling problems has been from an innovative point of view, also putting people first, because our vision and our mission actually directs a lot of things that we do. And when we say we want to be a value-driven healthcare company, that means that the people that we're dealing with, our customers or patients in quotes, have to be at the center of whatever it is that we're coming out with, whether it's our products or our services. So our people always come first. The people always come first as it pertains to our vision. Right, so one of our unique things about us is that, number one, like I said, our vision and our mission directs everything that we do, and we put people first. The second thing will also be that we've, despite the challenges in the sector, as you can imagine, we've always tried to be innovative. And that's what makes us unique, that's what stands us out. And excellence, that's another thing that also makes us unique, because if you look at our products, you look at our offering, look at anything that we do, we always have a touch of excellence and innovation to it. And another thing that makes us unique, obviously, this should even be coming last anyway, is our people. So the people that work with us, the people that have worked with us, that have come and gone, the people that are still here, they actually make a huge impact in everything that we do, in the organization that we're trying to build, and the future we're trying to build for ourselves and of course for the entire population. So those are the things that I think make us different, make us stand out, make us unique. Okay, so the PSN, the Pharmaceutical Society of Nigeria, under the able leadership of Mazi Samohabo, has done, the best that it can do, in terms of sensitizing the populace, sensitizing manufacturers, or even scientists to actually look out and try and come up with a vaccine. But the other side of it is that, coming up with a vaccine under a record time, as has been done by the big guys in the industry, the Pfizers of this world and co, has a lot to do with funding. You cannot do research and development without massive funds behind it. Like, for instance, you have the case of America that has stockpiled, large amounts of the vaccine. They've been able to ensure that even at the point of research, they've been able to, ensure that they've talked to all these the Pfizers of this world to secure doses for their products. They've given out large amounts of funds to support the research and development into finding a vaccine, which of course a lot of us are benefiting from right now. So in as much as the PSN is doing their own bit to ensure that they are sensitizing us, the other side of it is what is missing, which is the funding behind research. Coming up with a vaccine like COVID is not something that would happen overnight. It's something that requires a lot of funds, and I think that is the missing link for us here. It's not as if Nigerians or Africans don't have the mental acuity or the strength or the capacity to come up with vaccines, but the funding, I think that has been a major factor. That will always be a major factor to play in whether or not we can come up with solutions to our problems.
Airjara Travels and Tours. Are you a job seeker, nurse, IT expert, or student? Do you need a second passport that enters over 151 countries? Are you stranded in Nigeria and need a chartered flight? Look no further. Airjara Travels and Tours is located on Suite 007, number 27, Sanusi Fafuon Street, Northeast Plaza, Victoria Island, Lagos. For more information, call 0708-258-5556. Our travel is extraordinarily extra.
And on this note, we call it a wrap on today's episode of COVID-19 Business in Action. You can join us same time, same station next week. You can also send us a mail via info@africanbrands.com. Do remember that the COVID virus is still very much on the loose, so protect yourself and others from the virus by washing your hands frequently and using an alcohol-based sanitizer. Remember, safety isn't expensive, it's priceless. I am Onyechi Oko. Thank you for joining us.